What's up everyone? वेलकम बैक टू चैनल गेमर नितिन। आज हम लोग एक गेम चेकआउट करने वाले हैं जिसका नाम है मेमोरीज इन ऑर्बिट। ये एक बॉस फाइटिंग टाइप गेम है just like Hollow Knight and Silk Song. So let's begin. It's you. Okay. I've seen you, I think. I don't know. In my dreams. म्यूजिक अच्छा लग रहा है, नॉट गोना लाई। फिर मिनिमलिस्टिक सा इंट्रो है, बट म्यूजिक अच्छा लग रहा है मुझे गेम का, नॉट गोना लाई। वेकी वेकी। ये तुमको 2D लग सकता है बट ये मोर लाइक 3D है। कुछ है यहाँ पे। जंक पाइल, नेकर ड्रॉपलेट्स कैन बी salvaged from this. Okay. Alright. Good job. Flash memory connection lost. Download. Flash memory, bits of data recovered on a dead unit despite its complete shutdown. यहाँ पे boss fight, you never know. Yeah, okay, I knew it. I had a feeling like सामने checkpoint क्यों दिया इन्होंने? Is it a boss fight? Please tell me. What's going on guys? अरे बस सिल्क सॉन्ग जैसा वो लग रहा है। सिल्क सॉन्ग में भी वो ये हो जाती है ना, वो क्या बोलते हैं, थक जाती है बिल्कुल सेम। लॉक्ड फ्रॉम अदर साइड, तो कैसे खोलूंगा? नेक्सस वाइट ट्यून। This is checkpoint I believe. Modify center. अभी कुछ है ही नहीं मेरे पास। This is checkpoint भाई, this is Nexus है इसका नाम। हैं? अच्छा, ओके ओके, my bad. हेलो। ओके, मर गया था मैं। यार जगह बहुत है जाने के लिए। ओपन। The last streamer was Nessie. I was really afraid I'd be the last one standing. Glad to see I was wrong. Anyway, as I said, I need your help. My friend Tomo's been missing, and well, after what just happened, I'm worried sick about them. Would you mind taking a look around me? I do it myself, but most of the pipes I use to travel around are sealed. I need someone to open them from the outside. The best spot to start looking is right below us. You might have to take a detour or two to reach it, but it shouldn't be too far away. Be careful away. I had to see looking for the two missing. Okay. वह पूरा ही ऊपर ले आया। Locked from the other side. Hello. Anyone? I do want to free you, but things are not going great. Hello, sir. The word is ending. Surely, now the shell will open for me. L2 में जाते हैं, I guess, apartments में। ये चालू हो रहा है, खुल रहा है, खोलो इसको। फक, ओ माय गॉड। मर गया। ओपन इट अप। हेल्थ के लिए क्या कुछ मिलेगा नहीं? Dwellings. Okay. Hello, sir. Rostam, listen. Visitors are rare sight these days, and not every util is as friendly as you. The roads have become dangerous, and resources are sparse. Even more so since the Earth's tremors have started, disconnecting us one by one. Oh well, it's not like we could do something about it. Can we? It's a Pearl's job to look after the vessel, not simple unit like us. In any case, if you continue through this building, you will reach Metropolis. I'm sure you will find more survivors in the city. Safe travels, friend. Okay. This is locked. That means मुझे नीचे जाना है। ओह, इससे बचने के लिए है शायद। Oh my God. Fuck. भाई मेरे को जस्ट 2 हिट लगे हैं। Genuinely.
Come to me.
एक मेरे को उस छोटे से एनिमी का हिट लगा और इसका लगा है। भाई कम ऑन। She. You might have a hard time believing me, but this place used to be magnificent. This pond, the one we are standing in, used to power everything around here. It was source upon which the whole network drew. Regrettably, it has been dry for what feels like an eternity. As long as it stays dry, I remain blind. As long as I'm blind, so are you. Offer your narc. मेरे पास कुछ है ही नहीं। Okay. What is this? Narc basin. Protective coat already full of capacity. Hello, sir. Rad. Thank you, stranger. Someone stole my hat and I got stuck here while chasing the thief. See, it's very important hat to me. A gift from me, that's my boss. So absolutely I need it back to get it back. Because if I don't, she'll get very mad. Mad who? Boss? Anyway, I found something on my way here. I don't know what is it, but I'm sure you'll find some use of it. Give it to me. Analyzer. A modifier can be installed in your modifier center. Display enemies remaining health. Oh, let's go. Thank you. Seems like the thief is not around anymore. So it's time for me to clear out. See you around, stranger. Okay. Offer your narc. क्या होता है इससे? That's it. Come closer. Can you feel it? The network is waking up bit by bit. I can sense the narc coursing through all its dormant capillaries. Okay. This is merely a step, but a crucial one. Thanks to you, I can finally see again. Allow me to show you. Look through his eyes. Oh. By map. अच्छा मैप है ये एक किस्म का। मेरे को दे ही दे। मॉडिफाइड सेंटर एंड दिस इज एनिमी स्किल हेल्थ दिखाएगा। लेट्स गो। ये क्या था? डिस्प्ले माय स्टेटस ऑन स्क्रीन। हाउ कुड इवन एग्जिस्ट विदाउट बीइंग एबल टू मॉनिटर देयर ओन कंडीशन? इट वुड बी लाइक बीइंग अ स्ट्रेन टू वनसेल्फ। ओके, वो नहीं आ रहे वापस। व्हाट? Oh my God. Fuck. All right. What is this, भाई? भाई क्या चल रहा है? Alright, let's go. भाई 2 हेल्थ बार के साथ लड़ा हूं. Come on. Protective overlay. A modifier can be installed in modify center. Effect grants an additional layer of protection. Let's go. Modifier slot required piece. भाई वो भर रहे हैं slot. Dr. Hans property. Why to disturb? Why? Unknown project pickup. What is this? Kinetic thrust. A modifier can be installed in modified center. If the last attack of combo deals more damage, just push your problems away. भाई 20 slots required. भाई इतनी महंगी महंगी चीजें क्यों हैं? मैं इनको दे रहा हूँ ये जो पैसे हैं, पता नहीं ये हेल्प करेगी. ऑफर योर नर्क नेक्रे. ले ले भाई जितने हैं. 204. I think it's enough. Come to me. Listen. I will restore the network now. Stay close. Okay. क्या होगा उससे? Oh. Is this like checkpoint or something? It's good to feel the data flowing again, to see properly again. To see you, Mio. Your name is Mio. You have been bruised by the heart's tremors. I can see that too. The heart is in so much pain. I can see her now. Of course, she's holding up at the moment, but not for long. Something has to be done, or she will die, and the vessel with her, and us with them. Now that the network is running again, it should be possible to save her. Maybe with the help of the other pearls. It's no use. They won't answer my call. This is frustrating. I will try again until it works. In the meantime, why don't you carry on with your exploration? I would like to know what happened to Metropolis and the Heaven anyway. Maybe you can find something that even I can't see. The good news is, wherever you are, you should be able to see through me now. Okay, even far away, let me be your eyes. Oh, it's map यार. Basically, अब मैं कहीं भी देख सकता हूँ इसके नजरिए से. Yup, now we can see भाई. Let's go. Hold on, पहले तो मुझे ये करना है. एक चीज मिली थी ना मुझे. Let's see वो हम लगा पाते हैं नहीं. मुझे लग नहीं रहा लगा पाएंगे. As I told you. ठीक है. मेरा हेल्थ का स्टेटस हट गया यार. ये गलत है यार. बॉस फाइट. I can sense that. Yet another. आजा भाई. Chomo cannot be disturbed. Yup, you will meet the same fate as others. Aegis, worn out sentinel. Fuck! Fuck! Oh, goddamn, man. Oh, boss fight. Fuck! Okay. Okay. Let's go. Second phase. Oh god damn. Fuck. No. Oh my god. Both close tha. We can do it. Oh my god भाई. भाई बताओ मैं क्या करूं. चल 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 फटाक से. एगिस वन आउट सेंटिनल. फक भाई इतनी तेज क्यों आ रहा है. फक. ऑलमोस्ट डन. Fuck! Let's go. Let's go. Egg is defeated. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Finally, man. Oh, कोई item है नीचे. Let's go. Open it up. So Tomo is not here. It would be too easy otherwise, wouldn't it? Well, I can't blame them for wanting to keep moving. This place doesn't look safe. There are few other spots scattered around the vessel where we could look for them, but they'll be harder to reach for your tiny build. Okay. Unfortunately, I have a couple enhancement in mind for you. Come closer. I won't bite. यार मेरे को वो दे दो यार एक्स्ट्रा. कितना क्यूट लग रहा है यार. दिस गेम इज नाइस यार. व्हाट अंदर ले गया भाई. ओ माय गॉड. Hold RT to. Oh, So cold. Why? Recharging. Hold RT to coast the hairpin. Oh, let's go, yaar. It used to be so warm. Oh my god, fuck. Oh. My god, क्या? ओके, चार्ज होने देना है. ओके, माय गॉड. ओके. नीचे. अवे. लेट्स गो. एबिलिटी मिल गई भाई अपने को. हेल लिया है, मजा आ जाएगा अब. लेट्स गो. नाइस यार, बढ़िया चीज मिल गई. लेट्स गो. लेट्स गो. नाइस. अब बस लाइक मैं नीचे जा रहा हूँ भाई. मैं ऊपर कैसे आऊंगा? बट देयर वी आर. देखो, आई टोल्ड यू. पिकअप अननोन प्रोजेक्ट. सिलो एक्सेस बैज. ग्रांट एक्सेस टू सिलो मेंटेनेंस पैसेज अंडर द हेवन. दरवाजा खोल सकते हैं अब हम. लेट्स गो. लेट्स गो. अब मजा आ रहा है. अच्छा, हमने उधर भी जानना है. वो रिमेंबर एक वो लेडीज थी जिसपे ऑप्शन आ रहा था डिस्टर्ब का. डिस्टर्ब का ऑप्शन आ रहा है. हेलो Mel, Dr. Hain's property. You don't look like one of those murderous units outside. I swear, between that and the trimmers. Anyway, glad to finally see a friendly face. I'm Mel, by the way. Salvager and mechanic. You know your model's pretty rare, but with that frame of yours. Yeah, you'll get crushed in no time. What a shame. Tell us what? Less. There's an old workshop around the Nexus. I was planning to hide there next. Come see me and I'll bulk you up. कहाँ पे? There's an old workshop around the Nexus. Nexus कहाँ है ये? I was planning to hide there next. Come see me and bulk up there. But won't be free though. Be sure to bring me some nectar. कहाँ पे? आइटम उठानी है मुझे. Pick up the item. A small part of Unitil protection cord combined to permanently improve your protective cord's capacity. You currently have 1x4 protecting component. Oh, let's go. That's like extra health bar. Oh, there you go. Okay. What a dump. Thank you, bhai. At least she won't look for me around here. Let's go. There. All set. Alright, lass. I've got a bunch of old trinkets. Let's see which one I can repair for you. Alright. Maintenance hack. A modifier can be installed in your maintenance center. Effect. The protective coat repair at neck basin is free. Enemies leak a lot more neck droplets when dying. Oh, इसके लिए मुझे वो चाहिए. ओल्ड कोर. Okay, इससे क्या है? If you spend less necro in these basins, then you can spend more necro here. The protective coat repair at necro basins is free. Oh, जी जो जहाँ पे मैं वो नहीं करता हूँ, like क्या बताऊँ? अरे साला ये तो नीचे देखा ही नहीं मैंने. मॉडिफायर स्लॉट रिक्वायर्ड 10. अरे बहन चो, मॉडिफायर स्लॉट ही तो नहीं है मेरे पास भाई. ये गलत है यार. ये ले लेता हूँ. क्या ही करूँ अब, पड़े ही हैं तो। स्टॉकेबल मॉड्यूल फॉर मॉडिफायर सेंटर, अब इट परमानेंटली ओपन 10 स्लॉट भाई। ओ ये अच्छा है, टोटल 20 खोल सकते हैं। मैं ये खुलवाऊंगा भाई, कैसे भी करके ना ये चीज़ मिल जाए। आज के लिए इतना ही गाइस, आई सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट एपिसोड, तब तक के लिए गुड बाय।